Oh yeah, and we get it. As you know, I'm in the midst of my epic journey to see how much of Luxembourg I can see in one day using nothing but public transportation. I started in Luxembourg City, I went to Clairvaux, then I went to Insenborn, then I went to Edelbrock, and then to Echternach, and right now I'm on the bus to Rhemish. I'm going to get off this bus in Grevenmacher and get on another bus, which is actually going to take me to Rhemish. So this is going to be fun. Oh, okay, there's the first vineyards. Okay, so we are now on the Moselle. We have left Wallertal and we are in the Moselle. So I'm going to change buses here. I've got about 7 minutes before I pick up the next one. So I'm going to go outside and stretch my legs a bit. I got 7 minutes, so I figure might as well just explore Grevenmacher a little bit. Cool, skate park. And luckily, I brought my skateboard. Hey, basketball court. I still got a couple minutes to the bus to Rhemish, so I just thought I'd get a run in. Ah, Piperliksgard. That's the butterfly garden. I have always wanted to go there. Wow, that was cool. Oh, I got a bus to catch. So pretty soon we are coming into Rhemish. And in Rhemish we have about 50 minutes, almost an hour, which is good because there's some sightseeing I want to do. And there's remnants of the gate from like 1,000 years ago. All right, let's go check out the Esplanade. So this is the Bacchus statue in tribute to the Roman god of wine, Bacchus. And now I gotta take a selfie. All right, Bacchus, show us your front. Okay, and what I just noticed is the Port St. Nicholas, which I was curious about, is right over there. Wow, Port St. Nicholas. This is apparently the old gate to Rhemish. And there's apparently fragments in that are like over 1,000 years old. Oh. No time to dilly-dally, guys. We got a bus to catch. Got a bus to catch. Wank, 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 wank. Ah, here we go. 309, Belval, Lycée, Belval. That is our ride. Ciao, ciao, Rhemish. You were tip-top. Okay, and we are done with Rhemish, and now we're on our last bus trip of the day, Belval.